You are installing the latest version of Eclipse IDE on Windows and creating your first Java project. Everything will be done inside this video. No skip steps. Step 1. Download Eclipse. Open your browser, click the address bar. Type eclipse.org, press enter. This is the official Eclipse Foundation website. Click download. You will see a button, download X, click it. On the next page, click download again. The Eclipse installer will start downloading. Wait for it to complete. Step 2. Run Eclipse installer. Go to your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file, Eclipse inst win. If Windows asks for permission, click yes. The Eclipse installer opens. You will see multiple versions, Eclipse IDE for Java Developers CC, ++ PHP others in this video. Click Eclipse IDE for Java Developers. Step 3. Java detection. Now look carefully. Eclipse will check for Java. If Java is already installed, it will detect the version automatically. If Java is missing, it may prompt you to install the latest version. The recommended version is Java 23. Keep the default installation folder. Click Install. Accept the license agreement. Installation begins. Eclipse may also install Java automatically if required. Wait for installation to complete. Step 4. Launch Eclipse after installation. Click Launch. Eclipse will ask for a workspace location. Workspace is the folder where all your projects will be stored. Keep the default location. Check Use this as the default and do not ask again. Click Launch. Eclipse will open. Close the Welcome tab. You are now inside the Eclipse interface.